If you like to shopping, maybe shopping at discount price at the outlet would be great idea. So in today's video, I'm going to drive you to one of the outlet called Siam Premium Outlet. Let's go. Adidas outlet here is huge. This is not an outlet to me, this is like a factory. This is basically what you will get additional discount. You recognize my shirt here, right? I bought it from here.
50% off.
Thailand best, quite cheap. Very nice shirt. 70% off. Even you're planning to buy nothing, it's still nice walk if you have time in Bangkok. It's Sunday today. Even from my house, it would take me around 30 minutes. Just so you know, right? Like every outlet in the world, they will located outside from downtown. Siam Premium Outlet is located further down from Suvarnabhumi Airport. I will put some direction for you so you know your way around, right? The best way to get here is to take taxi. However, this outlet owned by Siam Paragon, you can get a shuttle bus over there. I put a bus schedule for you here. Cost 100 baht per person and depart 3 times a day. The precise location of this Siam Premium Outlet actually is not in Bangkok. It is in Samut Prakan province. Let me show you this neighborhood to you. I'm not often come here, but this is one of the main road of Samut Prakan. That's why Siam Premium Outlet is located here.
You can see that it's quite popular, or the parking pretty full. One difficulty, if you're going to take a taxi here, you won't easy to get your taxi back. Therefore, I strongly recommend to take that shuttle bus from Siam Paragon. This is where the bus park. Siam Premium Outlet, actually they want to attract tourists also. There's exchange booth, and this is where you can charge your mobile phone and store your luggage. Here, this is the place where the shuttle bus will drop you and take you. This is the timetable from Siam Paragon to Siam Premium Outlet, where you're gonna get your Thai baht and big luggage box. We are here, right, by entrance A. Alright, we already here. Let me walk you around, give you some brief idea what to expect here. I'll give you a brief example. This one 40% off. This one also 2,000 baht. To around 1,200 baht. And if you like Thai silk, Jim Thompson is here. Like this one, 30% off. And this one is 50% off. I like to come here on Sunday, even though I'm not planning to buy any things. And this is the requirement for all the tax refund here.
Squash is quite popular here. I've been here like 5 times, but this is the first time I saw a food market in the middle section here. I'm just going to show you all the shop and brand in this outlet because people will get confused. We have 2 outlets in Bangkok right now, right? They kind of undecide which one to go to. Therefore, if you see all this brand, you can compare to the one in Central Outlet. So I'm going to do the video in that outlet also, right? If you check this video out, be sure to check other video as well so you know which one to go to. Adidas outlet here is huge. After this, we're gonna go to Nike opposite.
ยิ่งลดเยอะนะครับลูกค้าสังเกตครับผมจะแปะไว้ที่ป้ายแท็กซ้ายป้ายขาวส่วนรองเท้าจะแปะไว้ให้หน้ากล่องรองเท้านะครับสนใจสินค้าตัวไหนเลือกลองได้เลยนะครับ
She's saying right now that there's discount after discount. That's why many people here. Right, all the price that you see is already an outlet price, right? But if you buy more and more, they give you on top like 5, 10, 15%, depending on how much you spend here. Here, I find this poster. This is basically what you will get additional discount. That's why people all buy 5 items.
นะครับผมโปรโมชั่นนี้นะครับบอกเลยว่าคุ้มมากๆนะครับเพราะยิ่งซื้อเยอะยิ่งลดเยอะนะครับลดแล้วลดอีกเลยสำหรับสินค้าในราคาที่ลด
see number of people here. This is not an outlet to me. This is like a factory. They are Japanese, and this guy calling his friends to see if he going to need one shoe from here. And if you have an option, do not come here on weekends. Alright, we're going to continue walking this way. As you see, Nike and Adidas is quite popular. The number of people in the line is quite long. If you're planning to come here, especially if you're a tourist, on weekdays it's much better, just so you know. If you see this sign, this is one of the government project called Thailand Best. This is Thai brand, right? This is Aero and Light. This is quite cheap t-shirt. And shorts. It's only 290 baht. And if you want to buy underwear, in Thai we have Sabina and Wago. I will try to walk you in, but this is how they look. Quite nice. It's not huge like in Europe or USA. Here we have the mix of Thai and international brand. I have 3 of these shoes. It's around 3,000 baht here. If I buy at the mall, it cost me 4,500 baht. Just so you know. Plus you get on top over here. If you know Polo Ralph Lauren, we have Beverly Hills Polo Club. Let me show you. Right. This is very nice shirt. 70% off. So it's about 1,000 baht only. Wow. You recognize my shirt here, right? I bought it from here. Browns & Co. is another Thai good brand. Koite. This is a famous milk tea with bubble. Alright, for those of you who are new here, right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, I've been walking around holding my cameras to show you this mall. Hope it's helpful. Alright, my name is CHON. This channel is supposed to give you tips and recommendations if you're coming to Thailand or Bangkok. Check out other videos as well. If you can notice, this is tourist right here, right? This mall at the moment, I would say 90% Thai, 10% tourists. But I encourage you to come to walk in the evening at this atmosphere of this Siam premium outlet. Even you're planning to buy nothing, it's still nice walk if you have time in Bangkok. Alright, this is pretty much everything you need to know about Siam Premium Outlet. Behind me, this is all the top brand that we have at the moment. If you see around here, it's not open yet. Be sure to subscribe for more details about coming to Bangkok. My name is Chon. I hope this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe or check out other videos as well. Bye bye for now. สวัสดีครับ